it might dissuade somebody from buying it.
Hi, we're here at Fox Sports Cards in beautiful downtown Marion. Oh, no, it's beautiful, isn't it?
It's beautiful.
Even after our big thunderstorm.
After Hurricane Tree Hater?
Yeah. We did have an inland hurricane, and it was named the Tree Hater because it took every 100-year-old tree. We're going to start with the box topper. A good place to start, isn't it?
Yeah.
All right. You're going to have to do more than yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Nice. KG.
KG.
Oh, that's a gorgeous
That's a
card.
nice one. Now you can look at that.
Number 51.
We'll just get moving here. I'm going to give you some of those, and you can just help me rip it. You show yours first, and I'll go second.
Okay. Nice base cards. We got a Kobe Mini.
Hey, Kobe.
Hey, Kobe. I don't even...
Ooh, I'm not sure.
Flip it over.
Rashad McCants.
Or can he?
He McCants.
Uh-oh, something.
Yeah, this is a Michael Petrus auto.
For the Magic?
Yeah,
Nice.
not numbered.
I like the commitment. Let me see. Josh Howard. Mini. I gotta say, I love the base cards.
Beasley rookie.
Yeah.
Yeah. As Sif. What do you think of them so far? You like these?
They're beautiful.
I've waited since they announced these to do a box of these. Another McCants.
Roy Hibbert rookie.
School Mini.
That's Jerry West. I like the old school too. Guess I'm not supposed to be looking at yours. I'm supposed to be opening.
Derrick Rose rookie. Ooh.
Nice. Jay Ford.
Can't have a box of basketball without
TJ Ford.
Nowitzki.
Ooh. It's Earl Monroe, Earl the Pearl.
Earl the Pearl, baby.
Jersey, not numbered. But
Oh,
still,
yeah, that's from my era now, right
still
there.
Earl the Pearl.
Back when you wore those short shorts with
That's
pride.
his entire pair of shorts right there. It's all the material they needed. That's why I want. Hey, Kobe. That's right. No.
Say Kobe.
And they say I'm trouble.
Where's Kobe?
Wow.
Wow, there's some thought in that one. Whose dad is that? Whose dad is that?
You no longer
I feel
blaming
so
you,
sorry
I think.
for you right now. I really do. I'm sorry about that.
You don't even know.
Are you sorry about that?
I'm not sorry.
Is it all right, though?
See?
Ben Gordon mini. Yeah, baby. Now we're talking. And some Luol.
Dang!
There you go. Thank you.
Dang it.
Nine.
Dang it.
And we're ripping through, trying to get through this in 10 minutes.
All right, there's pose variations with the rookies, right, gents?
Kevin
Yes.
Love,
Most
mini.
definitely.
Very nice.
Short prints?
Short prints. Even in the minis, they're short prints.
There's
Nice.
another Beasley. It's got a
112.
different pose, but
So there he is, armpitting two balls.
And who hasn't really done that at one point or another?
Just shows how cool you are.
Or that you're in prison. Ooh, a
Sometimes say
redemption.
prison.
Oh, wow.
oh, nice.
A certified framed T50 1 mini autograph of Robin Lopez.
Nice.
Redemption. Clyde Drexler mini, very cool. Sorry, I'm falling asleep over here.
Is that Robin Lopez or Jennifer Lopez?
Whose dad is that again?
Does he coach? He's a coach too, isn't he? Responsible for other people's kids? Marcus Camby? Mike Bibby? Carlos Boozer? I just like his name. Is that right? That'd make you feel at home.
How many we got here? 2 packs left?
2 packs left.
All right.
Last 2. Ben Gordon. Put him out there just because he's getting
Bulls.
some- Bulls. The Bulls.
Sausage.
Sausage.
Hurricane tree hater.
Deka. Sausage.
Double.
Last pack. Last video before we were shut down. Boy, Hibbert mini. And that's really going to round us out for overall a gorgeous set. A great idea from Topps. Hope there's something similar next year from Panini.
Goodbye.
On there.